Today I am using extra long coffin press-ons, and these are the press-ons here. I got them off Amazon. I'm taking my nail file and I'm going to file the edges of the press-ons just to get the little plastic pieces off the end. Already did the other set. Instead of using base coat, you can go in with a pad with acetone and wipe off the press-ons. The acetone creates a sticky layer that helps the polish adhere to. Tip number 2, for a good flawless polish application, polish your press-ons upside down. After the first layer, I put it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm applying the second layer of polish. I apply top coat before I apply my bling. Now I'm going in to apply the bling. Bling, bling. final tip, once you are done styling your press-ons, go in with the alcohol pad and wipe off your press-ons just to bring back that shine.